Excuse me.
Go. Go, dribble. Oh, galing oh. More.
Try it.
Malamig na tubig na ginagawa.
What if I do any mistake? And when Adam review it, how he will see it, this mistake? He will just,
Galing ah.
Ito yung lakas mo na.
Pabalik-balik ah. Up naman, up.
Up to. Paano up?
Up naman.
Be safe
Ah,
lagi.
ingat.
Paano yung be safe?
Ay.
Walang baby protection sa bahay.
Sarili. Oh, wag ka tumingin sa likod. Tingin ka sa harap. Tingin ka harap.
Ano na, ikutin ba natin to? Uwi na tayo.
Akala yata niya pre, nasa playground. Ikot.
O, hindi ka na, ikutin na natin.
Ikot. Magdala kang walis. Ikutin mo. Barney.
TikTok made us do it.
Meron pa tayong salbo.
Pa mismo, tapos pares sa garlic powder and then the garlic itself.
Meron pa pala ng isang ginawa, di ba naman ang sinabi ko sa'yo? Yung ginawa
Or whatever. Kung gusto mo na maganda explanation, go to Michael Knowles. He can explain it to you.
Oh, ChatGPT din.
Pwede din.
Ang dami din kasing nangyayari sa world.
Hi. Say hi.
But again,
Hugas ka ng kamay
ito, in order to get these goods,
Yeah. Yung kanin, paano? Kanya-kanya na lang mo.
Kanya-kanya na lang.
Diyan ka small.
Ayaw mo sagutin yung mga pinagdaanan mo.
Kay Tito RJ ka?
Taga Pangasinan ka pa.
Ilocano
Tapos yung daddy mo half German?
Smile!
Parang 1/4, 1/8. Nag-line ng German. Kinawayan niya ako, tapos hindi niya ako kinausap. Sabi ko yun na yun.
La, marunong na siyang puno.
Tapos yun na yung Papa Jack? Opo. Ako na ko baka on air ay.
Wait, how come ako, nafe-feel ko yung insecurities, nafe-feel ko yung hindi ako enough. Dahil sa action na ginawa ko.
Yan nakita ko. Ayan.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, it's two different things.
I know.
You wanna take the video?
Can I still have some Marichel?
Buga juice?
Yeah.
You like it, huh? It's my favorite drink. Besides the Fanta orange.
I thought you liked every.
What? But my favorite drink is coconut juice and Fanta. Have you tried Fanta orange?
She said she said a drink, not a food.
Yeah, for food, my favorite is
Masaya si nanay. Dito na lahat ng anak niya.
Any other fast food that's not in the Philippines, yeah. No, Ella, wait lang. Hindi ka makain ng Sprite.
Putik, man. Yeah, was that for real?
That's what I feel like I experienced.
Is that like a specific task for somebody? Or me?
One meal a day? Yes, one meal a day.
Ito, swimming pool oh. Swimming pool. Uy! Ba't naka-kwanto? Charge muna tayo. Nandito na lang tayo sa... Oh, focus natin sa sheet! Thanks, lakas tayo.
Ano ko nasaan ka? Manchester? College Park.
Papunta tayo Machanutin.
We are literally the only people on the road.
I'm not scared of the rain. I'm scared of the thunder. I would like it before the thunder.
Am I gonna grab the ball?
Sure.
Thank you. Cheese. Ball.
You have to be perfect with expat locator. Remember a little bit about this. As Noor started, yes, we have 8 locators. Ito na yung sa taas eh. Baba natin yung falls na.
We just finished hiking. We're heading back. Tapos na? Mamaya na nakakapagod nga paakyat. Here, that's when you go down. So wait.
Seven Bros. Yan naman ang Seven Bros.
Oh my god, smells like banana.
Kapag ako masikitan mo. Yan ang stage, oh. Ginawa na agad, oh.
Sagot ko laman lang naman ito eh. Bako bandan sa iba.
Na parang I'm neglecting.
He's doing okay now. He's doing okay now.
He likes tummy massage.
Okay, Oh my gosh.
It's either
Saan ka pupunta? Sa Naka-convoy kami. We're the fourth car. Ayun. That's everybody.
may balance na. Nakita mo yung mga zombies doon.
Tara, unahan na tayo ng mga girl.
That's gorgeous. Tulog siya dito. Video. Halo pero plain. Wow. Brucena.
Leia, you want more?
Yeah, it's the horseshoe fly. Or the...
Don't take his tail. You might end up killing him.
That's what did the very traumatized. Hindi ka come back.
Yan?
No, he's traumatized by the toilet, yo.
I did do that too.
That shit was a sauna, bro.
No, also you have to hike to get to
Hey, mami, tutod na. Push mo sa kamay.
Minsan sa lagat mapunta sila eh.
Nakita nga namin ni Joy kanina.
Huwag ka lang naninipa yung kabayo.
Ito, pamilya. Ang dami nila.
Pwede nga. Tatlo. Tapos may dalawa doon ah. Oh no.
Hellboy.
Naging lobster na si Kuya.
Hellboy na. Hellboy, para na tayong badilis na ito. Scam.
Thank you for shopping at Whole Foods Market.
Hindi yan. All season na yan. Oy, nakapag-Jollibee na. Jollibee na si Grain Ranger. Yes, sir. Kain time, kain time.
Salamat.